Bring the growing power of outdoors indoors with Bionic Grow from JML. The amazing indoor grow light that helps you grow about anything in any season. Just point, press, and get growing with the power of Bionic light that helps everything green grow and grow and grow. Bionic Grow has a targeted spectrum light that produces only the wavelengths of light that most benefit plant growth, with 3 high-intensity grow lamps, 3 different color options, and 8 brightness settings. With its tabletop stability base, clip-on capability, and fully adjustable arms, you can direct the right growing light right where you need it. Help your outdoor plants thrive indoors with Bionic Grow from JML for the amazing price of $39.99. Or why not buy a second Bionic Grow for half price? That's 2 for $59.98, a £20 saving, plus free delivery. This offer is not available in stores, so call or go online now. Watch as this plant literally grows toward the light. Grow healthy, delicious, pesticide-free greens. Plump cherry tomatoes in any season for fresh salads bursting with flavor all year round. And with its automatic timer, it's on when you want it and shuts off when you don't. Help your outdoor plants thrive indoors with Bionic Grow from JML for the amazing price of $39.99. Or why not buy a second Bionic Grow for half price? That's 2 for $59.98. A £20 saving, plus free delivery. This offer is not available in stores, so call or go online now. With Bionic Grow, plants get the light they need to stay healthy and green, to keep growing like you've never seen.
I love Bionic Grow. It sets up literally in seconds and my plants look wonderful.
My plants are surviving and thriving thanks to Bionic Grow Light.
If it grows with Bionic Grow. With Bionic Grow, you're getting a powerful indoor grow light that will help your outdoor plants thrive. Bionic Grow has 3 high-intensity targeted spectrum lights, 3 different color options, and 8 brightness settings that let you control the level of light you provide your plants. The sturdy base keeps Bionic Grow upright and in place, and you can even attach it to table edges and shelving, thanks to its clip-on capability. The fully adjustable arms lets you direct the growing light where you need it, and the built-in timer lets you choose how long you want it to stay on, and will shut off automatically when it finishes. Get Bionic Grow for the amazing price of $39.99. Or why not take advantage of our exclusive TV and online offer? Call or go online now and order a second Bionic Grow for half price. That's 2 Bionic Grow lights for $59.98, including free delivery. A fantastic £20 saving. If you're not completely satisfied, simply send it back for a refund thanks to JML's 30-day money-back guarantee. This offer is not available in stores, so call or go online now and help your outdoor plants thrive indoors with Bionic Grow from JML.